Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Build a 105 Thunderchief 10 minutes at a time. Alright everybody, we sure left a whole lot of crabs out there with no feet. Then I came back and had to watch Zombieland. You know I like a good zombie movie. That's pretty good. You know, it wasn't the all-time best zombie movie. It was a pretty good one. As far as all-time best zombie movie, Will Smith, I Am Legend. That's the best zombie movie ever made. But that was a pretty good one, Zombieland. Gotta like a good zombie movie, man. Alright. This stuff is trimmed. I actually trimmed this. It was so hot today, man. This stuff set up fast. And now I'm ready to take my peel ply off of there. So I can get it started. You know, I think my resin set up really fast today. I thought it was on the video, but I guess that video stopped a little bit sooner than I thought. Tell you what, why don't we just set the Bobo timer, get back used to setting that again. Okay, this is my peel fly. Just peels right off of there. Reach in that Fill-O-Vision box and feel that. It's pretty smooth compared to this. See, I didn't use peel ply on that. That feels like about 36 grit, where this feels more like 220. You know what I mean? So someone asked me why I was covering them up in my inlets, because this is just going to be the mold, people, with a plug for my mold. Most of y'all know that, but someone out there. This is just 50 grit on the edges. You know, there ain't no sense in using like 120 and working at this. You can put some 36 grit and cut the slot. See, and then I'm left with that nice square edge, man. I mean, nice square flush edge to work with. And that's just from running your glass and your resin out past that edge, you know. Okay, that was done. Bam. Bam. And this one, I trimmed this one second, and man, it was setting up fast. This one was a little harder to trim. I didn't trim it as close. Bam. Okay. I don't know where Woody Harrelson says, you know, my mama always said I'd be good at something, but who would have guessed it'd be killing zombies? That I'm gonna have to hit with the dot cone right quick. God, I love these dot cones, man. This thing at Harbor Freight was like $29, man. Wasn't very much. that hot stuff off of there. Fill all them pinholes. We're going to do it in just a couple of minutes with no sanding. It's going to take some of my primer. Look at this, people. I got a can opener. Thought it'd make someone smile instead of using the screwdriver. You know, but what kills me is the screwdriver's got a bunch of uses. You know what? I can't think of a whole lot I can use that for. It's pretty much just a can opener. You know what kills me is it'll open a can of paint or a bottle of beer. What's that tell you? Too many drunk painters out there. Alright. Now, I'm just going to take a little primer, pour it in the old cup. It won't really take as much as you'd think for this. A little bit goes a long way here. A little bit of my hardener in it. See, that urethane primer comes with a hardener. Okay? Mix it at like 4-to-1. There's an eyeball 4-to-1. No thinner. Just leave it thick. No thinner. Okay. Now we're just going to pour it out. Bam. I invented this, people. That was a rough old surface. You do this 2 or 3 times without any sand in it. Just do it 2 or 3 times. That's pretty rough. It's going to take a little more than usual. That's pretty rough, man. That's about like going out to your sidewalk and making it smooth. But see, this urethane primer dries so quick. By the time I get to this end, that end's already dry, you know. So you can put 2 or 3 coats on it really fast and build it up. Before you know it, that dude's smooth, man. No sanding. Don't like the sand. I try and think of ways to help my sanding. Keep me from sanding. You know? But there was just millions of pinholes in this, just millions. And rough. And look at that, just filled in just a couple minutes.